This is for a very cool client in Japan. Like sometimes I'll put 1, 2, 3 options, you know? You know what, I'm gonna, because if a gear and a Kirby skull goes here, then I could do the S gear right here. Yeah, it's like, man, you just gotta, okay, so that's an option. This little rose, that's an antique rose stamping. These are like from the 30s, 20s or 30s. These little roses are really cool. The layout of, so that's the cap. So I want to do one more rose because I want to keep it real feminine because this is for a gal. Pretty lady in Japan. So maybe I'll do another rose here facing, let me see. You kind of go better with that. You know what I mean? Instead of the rose. Maybe there and there. I was gonna do something there, but that's kind of cool. Let me see, hold on. That's kind of heavy for that, huh? Boy, these are old. These are really old. No, you know what? Hold on, hold on, hold on. So I got an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm trying to find the parts for my idea, and that's not going real well. This face is actually smaller than this one. I don't know if you can see that, but so I'm gonna dish out the back of this. Rum before, whiskey after. Wow. That almost never happens. Feel those ridges. I gotta get them ridges off of there. These are a bitch to put on these things, but they look cool. Ooh! Man, you gotta be so careful, because I'm putting my finger here to break this so it doesn't go everywhere, but every once in a while you'll catch your, it is no joke, man. I'll get the worst first. that flux in there. Clean that. I wasn't looking at this piece. I was looking at all those. I gotta cut more. That piece is gonna be. That's where the party's at. God, why did I do this? I'm gonna drop solder for the rest of that. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, man. This shit is where it gets dodgy. This ain't cool back here. There we go. There we go. Oh. Ah. Fuck. Hold on. Fuck. This goddamn tool. I don't know if you saw that, but it almost fucked me. Fuck. Ah. Fuck. Oh, fucking stressful shit, man. Flux got a little too crazy because I forgot to flux it when it was cooler, you know? Alright, cool. Just clean that out and see, I wanted that lined up. I always hope that, like, the artists that put this together, the craftsmen, I always hope they're not looking down going, oh, what are you doing? And you got this 120-year-old piece, and that's why I get so nervous about screwing up a piece like this. It would just suck. See, it's super sticky. If you don't stick these the first time when you're going at it, the chances of you being able to pull this up and replace it, it would just be a fucking nightmare. If it could even be done, it would just be such a nightmare. I mean, it's such a headache sticking it the first time. I can't imagine trying to stick it a second time. So if I heat it up, it'll actually be easier to move. So this is going to require a lot more hammering than I was hoping. Because as I'm heating it, it's kind of warping. You probably can't see it's moving because it's moving like 0.5 millimeter at a time. But I can see it moving. Okay, so I'm going to try to join it from here and then just join the whole. I think it's anchored. It might bust loose, we'll see. So I'm gonna have to do this several times. All right, so this is formed pretty tight. So I'm gonna drop solder in now. Oh, nice, nice, nice. This is gonna take a lot. Fuck. Oh, dude. Fuck. Ambitious. Yeah, what the fuck I got myself into? I'm gonna put it in acid and then clean it, reflux it, and attach these other pieces. This fucking thing is goddamn it. And then there's that. God damn it. That's the way I can really see it. Perfect. I almost lost the... What the fuck is going on with you? You little fucking cocksucker. That's gonna take a minute to cool. Fuck. See, I know how this shit works, man. I don't celebrate until I am fucking done. Because I've been this far and it failed. Come on, man. What are you doing? Ah! You bastard. Fuck. See that shit? This thing is ready to be done. Now it's acting like a little prick. Ah, this is so frustrating. I do not want to heat this thing back up. Alright, man, let's 3M it and fucking see what we got. This son of a bitch fucking drove me nuts. Oh, frustrating as fuck. So frustrating. Yep. Nope. It's so hard to center. This is the part I'm least looking forward to. So irritating. I mean, every time you heat a piece like this, you're at like real risk of melting, just doing something fucking stupid. We're gonna let this one soak overnight. There's some really stuck on heat scale here but we'll finish this out. It's good. I mean, everything's good. Everything's lined up and no, I don't need to do that. Fuck. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. This. Now the fun. Now the real fun. I was probably more nervous on this one than normal.